So you ready to like get into the great wide open? Paint with all the colors of the wind. You know, if you see a bear, I've seen all these bear documentaries. You can just go up to them and rub their tummies, and they love that.
Great. I will file that away. Please don't burn down my house while I'm gone. And don't touch the succulents. All right? They don't need watering.
Those look very crusty. They're always dry.
This is a list of items I'd like you to take care of while I'm gone. Please just follow the list. Everything you need is right on there.